Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about how you can fix a washing machine that won't spin. Let's get started. The first thing you should look at is the condition of your drain hose. One of the reasons the washing machine won't spin is a damaged drain hose or a clogged one. If the drain hose isn't fully functional, the residual water in the machine will not drain, and this prevents the machine from spinning. To solve this issue, do the following. Locate the drain hose at the back of the washing machine. Disconnect the machine and drain it. Inspect the drain hose. If it's bent, straighten it. Ensure no obstructions block water from flowing freely from the machine. If the drain hose is damaged, replace it. Creating an uneven load may also prevent the machine from spinning, since it may begin wobbling off balance. Washing machines contain sensors that stop the machine from spinning when this happens. To fix this, ensure you even out the weight distribution and avoid overloading the machine. Don't fill in the drum more than 3/4. Also, check the lid switch. The lid switch determines if the lid is closed. If this part isn't working properly, the washing machine won't spin. To solve this issue, locate the lid switch on top of the washing machine under the lid. Assess whether it's bent. If it is, you can restore it back into shape. If it's not working properly, you'll have to replace it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.